Hey everybody, it's Brian Way again, and I'm going to show you this awesome hammock stand my wife and I built for just under $500. Check it out. The first thing was to determine that design on the top of the hammock stand, then import the design into the CNC router. Of course you could cut this by hand, but I chose it as a challenge to see if I could cut this material on the CNC, and it worked perfectly. Not bad. After all the cross pieces on the top were cut and complete, the next step was to lay out the marks on the beam to figure out where we wanted to notch in those pieces, and these were all cut in with the jigsaw. Then just a little bit of careful use with the notch removal tool. This always works perfectly. Now all I got to do is clean it up a little with the jigsaw. Neither side shows when the piece notches over it. So we stained up all the posts, we stained up all the pergola caps. Here's the two beams, and we use a product called Arbor Coat Solid Stain, making it look more like cedar than pressure treated. Here I'm just pre-mounting the Simpson Strong-Tie angle brackets. These are actually what just holds those cross pieces into the top of the rails. And here's some other decorative functional hardware by Simpson Strong-Tie to hold those beams up as well. And they sell all the finished bolts and everything that goes along with it. It's a great system, and they're pretty inexpensive as well. After everything was stained, we waited a day to put it all back together the next morning, and the assembly is always the fun part, to see everything just come together and assemble easily and quickly, and it's a great finished product. Great project to do together as a couple. So these diagonals are probably more for aesthetics than they are for functionality. It really isn't moving anywhere, but it will keep it from moving back and forth, and looks really cool as well. So a couple more final bolts to hold this thing together and lock it together really well, and this project is completed. Oh, and did I mention this cool shade sail? It's our second one, and you can find these things for only about 35 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link below. All right, well, you guys know the drill. I'm gonna put everything in the description that has to do with this hammock stand. And if you don't mind, please hit that like button. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate your time.